So my mom had a Keurig, don't ask me which one, because there's so many to choose from. And then she goes, so what did I do? I got her a Nespresso. Our first step, fill the water tank. Okay, bet. Wow. I liked how that opened. Water tank is filled. I already hit the button, which is step 2. Now place the large container. Oh, okay, facing large container. Okay. Oh wow, that was easy. I just discovered something cool. This thing can move. Wow.
Wow.
That's cool. We're gonna put it back here. Just like that. Yeah. Press button 3 times to rinse. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello? I don't see it doing anything. It's locked. There's water. That's cool. Bottom of the bottle tastes good. Oh. Wow, this thing makes really good foam. That's cool. Super foamy. Oh, that's delicious. All right, I need my cinnamon.